Okay, so it is June 12th, 2024. It's 9 a.m. Um, my chart's been up for about 30 minutes. We had the CPI news came out at 8:30. Pretty explosive move. Today we also have the 10:30 crude oil. Then we have FOMC, and then I think Powell is speaking at 2:30. Um, I believe Powell is speaking at 2:30. I don't see anything on there, but we do have two FOMCs here, which is important. So I may not take anything today, um, or reduce the amount of risk I put in the market today. Yesterday did have some nice setup, but Thinkorswim was acting up. Schwab or whoever has it, so I wasn't able to see my charts during the trading on my actual computer here. I did see it on my other computer, but I don't trade off of that one. Um, as I was flipping back and forth between charts to see what was happening, but it did, allow me to slow down a bit. So let's go into the charts, and this is the FOMC news, and let's see what we can figure out with the market. I'm probably gonna be looking at this right here. I'm already seeing something I like, but I have to see how the next 30 minutes candles will react. This would probably be my nice pullback area. Hopefully we get like another candle that opens here on the Heikin Um, so it look like something like here. So this would be my ideal place to look, enter, which is also about 50%. Was probably about 50% of this candle move, more or less. But my Heikin should give me a better entry level. All right, so let's do our regular routine. Let's get into our value areas, high and low. And I'm going to be eating while doing this, so I'm going to be on mute. Alright, so that's basically my levels with the value areas, high and low. Um, Price is pretty high up. Um, gonna mark this for now on my 5 minute volume. Volume candle news push up. At this is 5 minutes. We're riding off at the top here, so a bounce here and up would be what I'd like to see. Yeah, I don't have much really. Let's go to the 30-minute overnight session and see what volume that we have here. Set the lows. So here with this for now. So something like this. Okay. You got the same area. Okay. All right. So those are that. These are the levels I got. Best levels I could work with. Going to add settlement price. Just use this one. As we broke through it, we'll bring this to 11, 11. So bring us forward. Boom, cool. Let's do NQ. 14 minutes before the market opens. Okay, where's it at? Okay, we have this here. It's gonna, what does that do? Let's bring that over here. There we go. Okay, and do ADR. Your food's on the table, Ari. Do NASDAQ first. Okay, that's fine. Let's bring this down here like that. That's broken. Zoom out. All of these are basically no longer good. We'll use this one. Just waiting for the ADRs to populate on the charts. This should be 30-minute, not 1 hour. Wow, we demolished that. Okay. So we have 19,370 and 19,376.25. No, I said 75, right? What did I type in 25? 19,376.25. Okay. Guess I did say 25. I bring this to the 12th. Boom. There we go. Didn't I add a? Didn't I add something up here? No, I did it with NQ ES 5-minute. Let's see if NQ has a Heikin Nashi up here. Yeah, it does. Right there. Right on the spot. Boom. Okay. So that's definitely going to be a level I am more interested in as well. I would like to see both of them come down to this level. Let's go into ES. No. I forgot to do the demand. Let's zoom out and do the demand. Go. And that should be pretty good. Alright, so we have demand ADR at 19,126.75, 126.75, 19,120.25. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so we have that way down here. And then let's do ES. And then we have VIX to finish us off with. Let's see what my charts are even looking like. Okay. Make sure I'm not all over the place with the charts. Alright, so zoom out. All of this is done for. We broke it. I think go into the overnight session. All of this is no longer good. We use this one. 5412.25. 5410. Bring it to the 12. That something is wrong. 5412.25 is what I said, right? But why is that on top? 5412.25 should be the bottom. 5412.25, and this should be 5410. Okay. There we go. Right at my level. Let's do demand. 5359. 539. 5357. And bring this to the 12. Oh, okay. So that's right above my level. I really like this area. I'm going to put an alert there. And let's do that for NQ. So that's my level. For that, those are my levels for ES and NQ. I think I'm going to close this out. I don't have any other windows open. Alright, so let's do this, bring this back to ES, and let's look at VIX actually. Let's see if anything sticks out with VIX. Large candle down. We're gonna erase some things. Zoom out. Let's erase. This is unnecessary now. Alright, look like VIX is trying to go back to a prior demand before it gapped up. Alright, let's go into the daily. There we go. Alright, so we have VIX came from here and it gapped up, and then we had this nice hanging man candle that brought us all the way back down, with price trying to go back up each time but failing. And then here, so yeah, we're gonna be in a downward trend for a while, it looks like. I think we might end up coming down here before price reverses. Let's go into a yearly, weekly. This max? No, we need max. Yeah, so we've been holding this area for since 2018. Since 2018, we've been holding this area, not wanting the price to go below it. Since 2017. Okay. All right. So that's really what we are dealing with. Let's go get a tighter handle on VIX. Let's go back in the 30-minute and let's see if I can find any solid areas where price broke. I think I can do this. All right. Probably get rid of this. No, might leave it. It's overnight session. Let's see how price reacts around them. Okay, and then I'm gonna keep the top one. This kind of coincides. Wait 1 minute. Let's go into what we did here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the top one. We're gonna do this with it. We're just gonna see how price reacts around this level. Let's add our alert on this. Can I add an alert on this name? Why can't I add an alert on this? Okay, whatever, it is what it is. Let's add an alert here, and yeah, okay. So that's that. I would like to see price come and reject it sometime in the near future. It doesn't have to be today. And we have an alert there. 4 minutes before the market opens, and then we have our alert down here. And that's it for that. So that's our session that we're looking at. I'm going to refresh my charts and prepare for the next 3 minutes that are coming up and see how price reacts.